Many people follow fad diets that promise fast weight loss for various reasons. Though there are techniques to lose weight faster, but doing so can harm you. Hello viewers. Today, we will talk about the top 5 ways to lose weight fast and healthy. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Let's begin. Number 5. Get help and accountability. Several tools can help you keep track of what you eat. Since you usually have your smartphone with you all the time, you can use it to keep up with your plan. Or write down what you ate and when on a piece of paper. You'll also need people by your side to help keep you going and cheer you on. So ask your family and friends to help you with your weight loss. You might also want to join a weight loss support group where you can talk about how it's going with people who can relate. Number 4. Watch what you drink. Cutting out liquid calories like soda, juice, and booze is an easy way to lose weight quickly. Replace them with drinks that have no calories, like water with lemon, tea without sugar, or black coffee. When compared to rich drinks, diet drinks will save you calories. But if you then eat a cookie or other treat because you're still hungry, or because you think you've saved enough calories for it, that plan doesn't work. Number 3. Up your veggie intake. Instead of cutting out certain foods or food groups, focus on adding a lot of healthy foods to your diet to improve your general health and help you control your weight. The water and fiber in fruits and vegetables give recipes more volume. They are also naturally low in fat and calories, but high in nutrients and filling. By swapping out high-calorie ingredients for fruits and vegetables, you can make lower-calorie versions of tasty meals. If you try to make at least half of every meal vegetable-based, you'll be on the right track to better health. Number 2. Make a better morning meal. If you don't eat breakfast, your hunger hormones may change later in the day. This could make you feel hangry in the afternoon, which makes it harder to avoid eating too much or giving in to urges for sugary and refined carbohydrate foods. The best, heartiest breakfasts are ones that will fill you up, keep you happy, and stave off cravings later in the day. If you start your day with a mix of foods that keep your blood sugar stable, you will lose weight. Number 1. Get moving. Any kind of movement can help you lose or keep off weight. Walking is a great, cheap choice that doesn't require any other gym gear besides a good pair of shoes. A recent study found that people who took 8,200 steps a day were less likely to be overweight, have major depressive disorder, or have other long-term health problems. So think about walking to lose weight and improve your health in general. The faster you lose weight, the more lean muscle you have. That's it for today. Do you have any other beneficial tips for losing weight? Tell us in the comment section. Please like and share our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for regular updates.